Umentri rangba ka jelau konrad ke sangma mantagasngi ulai ro e ka jingtrai borba jangki Dorbar Shnong ban yakun yok nyang jingpang COVID-19. Yakani ulakran hagi dukot jang Dorbar Shnong maukar Shillong hakabaya day bat ka jingpen internet iki Shnong ki tau ha Shillong jowai bat tura. Ukonrad ke sangma ulai thuru baka Sorkar jela kala pha jingtho biang syaka Sorkar India ban bu ru ya ka kyntien Dorbar Shnong hakabaya day baka jingwan ra jingkalai ka 6 schedule jongkari ti senshar jongkari India.
As was mentioned by the chairperson, that we realized that in COVID times, the way the Dorbar Shnongs and the locality have really helped us fight this entire pandemic. It could not have been done without your support and without you. I just want to put it on record that this entire fight has been successful in a certain way. I wouldn't say successful, but we managed to come through is because of the hard work put in by all of you. So on behalf of the government, I do take this opportunity to thank you all for all the help and support you gave us and the people of Shillong city and the state in general. Of course, this project we started was started with a mind that we will do it in a small scale, but realizing and seeing the response that we're getting from everywhere, this enthusiasm is so much that we've been discussing with the deputy commissioners and the tourism department that we would definitely want to continue this in the future also. And many such collaborations must take place in the future. As you said correctly, the statement I would like to take from the chairperson is that only that I don't want to say it in a very crude manner, but yes, we also felt that it's only when we need you, we call you. And when we don't need you, we don't call you. And I also have sensed that very strongly. So really this was, I think, for the first time that there was a step taken to involve and to collaborate. And I'm so happy that it has been, in a way, a success and a kind of a very positive step forward. And definitely would like to continue this because this is a really great way of connecting, engaging with each other, and building up the teamwork and trust that we will always require to fight any kind of situation that we may have in the future. So once again, I don't want to say much, but thank you so much for everything. And I assure you, in terms of the legislation which you're mentioning about how to take this forward, there is a move in the central government in terms of recognizing the village Dorbar. There is an amendment in the constitution, and we as a state government have specifically written that the word village Dorbar / village council, which means that we want the village Dorbar word to be there in the constitutional amendment. So therefore we have proposed that word village Dorbar in the amendment. We hope that Government of India will take it up in the 6th schedule, which means that once that goes through, if it does, we are waiting for the final draft from the central government. If it goes through, then that would be a very, very strong and very solid step forward from a constitutional perspective. And any other issues that are there which you feel strongly we could take up as a step at a time that will be within the constitutional framework, I'll be glad to discuss and happy to discuss this on how we could take this forward. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much. Because of positive time, I don't think we'll be able to take this particular program forward, but I would like to see the work that's going on over there.